in the eyes of people who are watching the outcomes of this report as well as investigation in the face of this tragedy. The first thing is that eyewitness reports say that from the stage it was announced that you must collect the soil of Baba's feet. The report must at least say that. Second, a government that has run by bulldozers, where journalists have been arrested for tweeting facts. For tweeting facts, journalists have been put in jail. Such a government with two reports, with 121 plus people dead, with a hospital that did not function as required, ambulance which was missing, relief and rescue missing, police intelligence missing, did not even have the courage to ask any question, let alone name the Mr. Surajpal. So that shows that how shallow Bharatiya Janata Party is. It is a government based on ideas of fake strongmanship. And the third and final point is that this SIT and further reports that BJP does will continue to appear as sham if the government does not show basic courage to accept its mistake and to ensure that the people higher up who are responsible for such mistakes are made to pay for it, are penalized for it. The entire SOP that should be there in this case was missing. It is either missing because the chief minister is inept and cannot govern the state, or it is missing because the district administration is inept and cannot govern the state. That is the fact of the matter.
Okay, Arvind Kumar, do you want to respond to it before I just go? Allow me a few minutes, Mr. Sharad Trivedi. Let me just quickly go across again to Arvind Kumar at this point. Mr. Arvind Kumar, a basic question here. Why isn't it mentioned that according to eyewitnesses, and not one eyewitness, not one random eyewitness, at least before us you have eyewitnesses, we've played 3-4 reactions. I'm sure the SIT has so much more. The SIT report does not even mention any of these things. What are we even talking about culpability? I'm not saying he's a convict. I'm not saying take action against, arrest him. I'm not even saying that. I am saying, a question that is being raised is, after so many deaths and after so many eyewitnesses that have come out to the fore, he's not even been questioned. And despite a notice that has been sent to him, he has not even been brought to the fore, and the SIT report does not even mention that.
I don't know whether these witnesses appeared before SIT or not. SIT had been given a time frame of 24 hours. But because postmortems were going on, bodies were being handed over to the families, and so many law and order duties were going on at that place. So they took 6 days to submit the report. I don't know whether these witnesses, which are appearing on TV, they are genuine ones, whether their statements were recorded by SIT or not, or they have been given to Judicial Commission, or they have been given to a team of investigators led by CO Kotwali. It should be made clear. I don't know whether SIT recorded it, and if SIT has recorded it, they should have mentioned it. I don't know. I have not seen the entire report of 300
and
pages.
If they haven't, main point. No, isn't this the? No, I understand, sir, and I'm asking you these questions because there are so many questions, and I can only ask a police this. But let me go across to Sharad Trivedi.